Welcome to Corfu, Greece. This beautiful Ionian island has been getting such a great reputation for having gorgeous beaches with crystal clear blue waters and Venetian style architecture. After so much walking in Dubrovnik and being a little hungover, we decided to have a relaxing beach day in Barbati Beach at the resort of Verde Blu.
Good morning from Corfu, here at beach at Verde Blu, enjoying some sun and the beach. Beautiful, the water. Cheers! Alright, got these chicken clubs. Mito's beer. These are so refreshing. That's how you pour beer. Cheers. Cheers.
So Barbati Beach is actually considered in the top 10 best beaches in Corfu. Even TripAdvisor considered it as in the top 5 best beaches. Corfu did get pretty good recognition because it was featured in the James Bond movie For Your Eyes Only. In the late afternoon, Verde Blu has a DJ that plays music and it turns into like a nice little party scene and it gets pretty lit.
Cheers. Goodbye from Corfu.
Goodbye.
Alright, you already know what to do. Give it a like and subscribe.